Hey YouTube, it's been quite some time since I've done a video. I'm going to start doing videos on my 2006 Jeep Liberty Unlimited to give you an idea of what we got going on today. And that is, as you can see, we've taken a couple steps already. Removed the door panel. Here is the new window regulator, which is today's project that we'll be putting in. Again, this is for 2006 Jeep Liberty Unlimited. This is for the front passenger side door, and as you can see, we have everything already removed. Take note, there's just a little plastic clip that releases this arm, and as I pick this one up here, these are the clips on the door panels. Looks like that's the one that broke off. Anyway, we can fix that. Maybe it's that one, I don't know. We'll see. There's a plug. I guess it's still on the switch. Nope. But that's the door lock. There's the little plastic clip that holds that arm. Pretty easy to get this off. All you really need is a screwdriver, a Phillips head for the screw down in there. Screw in there, and the rest are all pretty much clips. But anyway, to remove the regulator, as you can see, that's one big assembly. Pretty easy. You got 6 screws to here, and if you go up, you got one there. If you go over to the motor, you have 1, 2, and 3. Those are the motor mount bolts. Pretty easy. And it looks like there's just a plastic thing that sits on, can't really see it, that actually cups the bottom of the window. This should be pretty straightforward. I'm gonna go ahead and get this old regulator out, and we'll be back in a minute. Okay, we got reassembly here. I got everything bolted up, tightened up, plugged in. Got the speaker back in pretty much. I got 2 screws I got to put in that, and went around and pressed out the inner lining, the glue on the outside. Just kind of tacky stuff. Pretty easy to work around. So that's basically it. I'm going to finish reassembly. A couple more screws. We'll get the door panel back on. One of the things that you want to make note of is inside. I don't know if you can really see it. Well, I guess you can. The actual window channel that the bracket slides up and down on has to go on the inside of the window. I had a little issue working that around, trying to figure out how that works out, but as you can see, the felt on the cable, so it actually slides on the window, so it's not scratching it up or anything. But that's something you might want to take note of, is that's how that goes in. It took a little bit of wiggling around to get it in there, get everything lined up, the bolt holes and everything, and we're pretty much ready for final assembly. Be back in a minute. Okay, one of the things to take note of is if you ever duct tape or gorilla tape your window up, be prepared for a mess of glue. Right now, easiest thing and easiest way of getting that off is some WD-40. That'll penetrate the glue and help to get it off. Pain in the ass, but definitely holds the window up. So make note, if you gorilla tape your window up, be prepared to clean the mess. Okay YouTube, after final assembly, this is what your door panel should look like. Still got quite a bit of cleanup to do yet on all the stupid ass glue from the Gorilla Tape, even though it's great stuff. It makes for a messy cleanup, but it does do the job. Window regulator is back in place, and we're going to go ahead and give her a try. And there she goes. Just like it's supposed to do. Alright, we'll go ahead and get some window cleaner and do some final cleanup on that window and getting some of that glue and stuff off, and we should be good to go. Guess we'll see what we got in store for cleanup. But on a note, Gorilla Tape, great, messy cleanup. All in all, probably an hour job from start to finish. Pretty easy. You can probably do it faster if you have everything, all your tools in line, everything in hand. So that's replacement for the window regulator on a 2006 Jeep Liberty Unlimited. And thanks for watching, and we'll be bringing you more videos this summer. Take care. Happy Jeep life. Be sure and subscribe, share, and check out more of our Jeep videos on Jeep Life on YouTube. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.